So ayun na guys, kakatapos lang namin magklase and then our teacher treated me coffee. Treated me, tama ba? Treated me? Treated me, oh my god. My teacher is treated me. Ay, by the way, her not treated us. Her not treated us because when you are entering KLT or AB Korean language tutorial, na-adjust siya free nga coffee o kanang kuan ko.
Coffee.
Oh, so, nahuma naman among Clacy. So, Angel and I, mag-coffee-coffee sa amin. Yes.
But may nagsabot pero, ay,
Yes.
hindi ako black.
On the screen, we have the same color sa Sinina because we are all black. It's like we are attending well, burrow? What you call burrow? Yes. But if you look this personally, the color is not the same because my color is green, something different like that. It's not blue. Do you not want to coffee? Just yeah. Uy, pagkuhan pa.
Chocolate na lang.
Yes, chocolate. While we are waiting to Elijah Faith, we are just drinking water. And to all my viewers, hello there. I hope you are okay today because ano tawag ng klima?
Weather.
The weather is not very well because it is ulan-ulan. It is rainy day. Yes. That's why we are waiting Elijah Faith, and if she is coming already, we were going to home na. But before we going home, we must done to drink this coco melon and coco chocolate milk tea. I like it. And you just faster to templa that. So ayan guys, this is the book that I read. This is the book that I read.
Is it live or?
It is a video, and as you can see, all of these are Korean. Yes.
Almost.
All of these are Korean, and Eli just translated it into English. Yes. And I hope this kind of level T ba na siya? I hope this kind of level T nga maabot na ko ani kay ako na pa jud ko sa numbering. And let me tell you this, kung nana ka sa numbering, your brain is very brainless. Your brain is very brainwashed. Your brain is very brainwashed because of the Korean damages. The Korean damages will talk to you into you.
Okay.
Angel, what will you say to our viewers? To my viewers?
Hi!
Yes. Convince them to support me through follows, subscribe. Actually guys, my TikTok account, my name there is Julius Canoy, so you can follow me on TikTok. YouTube channel, you can research Jessie Canoy because that is my name also. And Facebook page, my real name, I just put them my real name, Julius Canoy. And I have a second account, Jessie Canoy, and I have my third account, Kenlet McKinley. But all of that are active, so you can communicate me with it whenever you like it or not. You can contact You can contact me bisig asa ni mo ana mo chat ka sa Kenlet okay ra, mo chat ka sa Jessie okay ra, mo chat ka sa Julius Canoy okay ra. Kung di ko ka reply, oh my god,
Okay,
I am
kayo.
busy.
Busy.
Okay, kayo.
Busy si madam.
Yes, I am busy
Pwede siya
because
ka-reply.
yes. I would not reply you any ano na siya dali pastoress. I will not reply you pastoress if the day is Saturday and Sunday. Yes. Why? Because I am dutying on my schooling. I am dutying here and sarangheyo kamsahamnida and puta kamnida. And actually guys, labo ko na ibawaan gamay nga kaulo kay I'm proud to be a part of indigenous people. My mom, yes.
My ex is in the...
Yes. My mom is half kaulo. Yes. she came from the land of Santa Maria. Unsa na siya lang ang land? Santa Maria, yes. That's why kung try pa kog ka ng understand, gani ka na nag-try pa basta nakabalo pa ko na mga basta basic lang ako na ibawaan. Kung naimutan o dili nga murag mamali ko, please correct me. Basta kuan.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, please correct me if I am wrong because I will not understandable. So ayun guys, ko na ako 4 language nga nahibaw-an. Korean, nag-try na po ko karon kay this is my current studying ba na day? Oh, mao ni akong current kay eskwelahan karon ang Korean. Yes. Like samnida, that is thank you. Just basic muna tayo because if we are pushing ourselves to the difficult situation, we are already losing it. Oh my God, but English dere. I'm so heavily. And then ang kuan pod, my mother's kaulo, kabalo na ko sa mag-istorya kaulo sama ana. Sa manahain ka pasingon, asa ka paingon, hain ka kadto adtoy baba adtoy butay, yes kabalo pug kuana. Unya sa Bisaya, mao ni ang akong kuan karon, istorya Bisaya jud siya. Yes, Bisaya. Unya Tagalog, yes, kabalo rin ako ng Tagalog. Saan ka punta? To the moon, road trip, brum brum. And then English, tawa ko nung istorya, very sympathetic and difficult situation of the language systematic system. And you just talk to them. Just talk to them because they want to see another person on my blog, and that is you.
So how many persons?
So take care on my blog. Take care. Just sit there. because I
Hi,
will
I'm
follow.
Angel. I'm his friend from Korean language. That's all.
Sige. Just stop them.
Talk to
Just stop
them.
them. My followers
Please
are very kind.
follow him.
My
Follow him
followers.
around.
My followers is very kindable.
Wow.
Yes. Kindable and very respectable and very respectable and sometimes na lang yung
Adorable,
mag-unfollow.
lovable.
Sometimes na lang yung mag-unfollow. Kung unfollow na, kung mo-follow lang kay ikaw niya, mo-unfollow ka, ay lang pag-follow, oy. I do need some person nga maka-triggered sa ako ang
Sense, ano nga, nag-follow
Gani
tapos mag-
on sense ni mo nga mo-follow ka niya, mo-unfollow ka.
wala siya common sense.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, wala. Oh, yes, ayun na nag-follow kung wala kay common sense, ha? Because I don't like to have that kind of person that's not tangible to me. Mas betcha daw yun nga. Mao kay nilo sa mga dili kabalo mag-English, di juga kabalo kung dili mo i-try. Ayo kahadlok nga ikurik ka sa daghang tawo nga mali imong English. Ang importante nag-try kang nga mag-speak yung English kung ikurik man kanila, willing pog ka nga makapatuon sa ila para maka-learn pog kag bag-o dili kay ikurik ka masuko ka kay nga may ikurik ka nga mali man jud. Yes. That is why you don't know how to learn if there is no to correct you. Yes, I'm so happy guys because this day will end our classroom today.
Classroom? Ma, i-demolish niyo yung classroom.
I was spelling ecstatic. Yes, ecstatic. And they want to
Madam.
drink coffee. If you do not want to drink coffee,
It's chocolate.
well, it's up to you. And then if you want to drink coffee, just buy it. Oh my God, my mom is already done. Ma'am, pabuto dito ko na ito sila. Isa, ma'am, oy. Okay, chat na ako.
Oh, it's hot.
Sige na tayo. I-chat tayo.
Huh?
Okay, thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Wow.